I've got a tub of whipped cream cheese and I'm adding, this is like one whole jalapeno. I'm adding half a bag, so just 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a bag of, this is queso quesadilla, but you can always just use mozzarella if you'd like. Adding 1 whole bag of these bacon pieces. A handful of chives, go ahead and chop these with a pair of scissors. Then we're going to be adding, this is a different brand. Go ahead and give everything a really quick mix. Once you have all that mixed together, I'm gonna set this aside. Hash browns. These are great because they already come frozen. Just put some on each one. I'm gonna take these slices of jalapeno and just pop one right on top. This now goes into a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. It's gonna be amazing when it comes out. Look at how these turned out. They're all just in one piece. Go ahead and give it a cut. Right down the middle. Right through that jalapeno. And look, doesn't it look amazing?